Welcome back. This week we take you to the butterfly world in Coconut Creek, Florida. About 40 minutes north of Miami and open 7 days a week. Butterfly World can make for a really fun afternoon during your vacation in Florida. Opened since 1988, the park has a collection of 5,000 butterflies. However, the name can be a little misleading. Outside of butterflies, they also have a great collection of tropical birds and insects. There's a lot to see in the park. Here's a little bit of what we like the most. Don't forget to subscribe so you get more videos like this one and hit the like button. When you first come into the park, you find yourself within the butterfly enclosure. I gotta tell you, it was really amazing being surrounded by 5,000 butterflies. However, it was really hard to get them on camera because they move super fast. We tried our best, but it wasn't easy. We like this one the most. The actual name of it is common blue morpho and is found all around Latin America. Right after the butterflies, you get to walk through the collection of exotic flowers. The most beautiful one in my opinion was this one, Passiflora incarnata, also known as the passion flower. It actually can be found all around the south of the United States. Right after the flowers, you get to the aviary. Now, this was my favorite part of the park. So many beautiful birds. We actually saw several species of parakeets and cockatoos of many different colors. They're so used to people, you can actually get really close to them and they won't even fly away. Now check out this one, my absolute favorite, the yellow parakeet. They're originally from Australia, but nowadays you can find them all around the world as pets. Fun fact, yellow parakeets are the third most popular pet in the world. Actually, just after domesticated dogs and cats. What about you? Which one have you liked the most so far? Make sure you let us know which one you liked in the comments down below. Look at these guys, beautiful feathers. Their actual name is Enclosure Parrots and they are originally from Australia and Indonesia. Right after the birds, you get to the Bugs Museum. Now the collections of butterflies were really pretty, but I gotta tell you, the bugs were a little spooky. We saw salamanders, giant centipedes, tarantulas, and scorpions. Now check out this guy, how big he is. Towards the end of the park, you can find these little guys, great quail. They're super cute. They actually don't grow any bigger than a baseball, and you can buy them at the zoo for $15. I'm not kidding. A lot of people actually keep them as pets. They have them running around the gardens, eating all the bugs and insects. Imagine that, how cute. These beautiful birds are the Asian fairy bluebird. They're originally from Indonesia and they're tiny, no bigger than a tennis ball. And of course, you can't really have an animal zoo without good old parrots. Interesting fact about parrots. Males and females are completely indistinguishable. The only way to tell them apart is to actually draw their blood and study their chromosomes. All in all, a really fun afternoon. We highly recommend it. Check it out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe below and leave us some comments.